Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm gonna showing you the ChatGPT new product SORA. SORA is an AI software and it is helping people to generate videos, images to videos, converting everything. And if you go to the news, then you can see the news of the SORA. It is launched in December, but right now it is placed in ChatGPT. And also you can see the option for ChatGPT like SORA. ChatGPT redirecting the SORA information from the ChatGPT as well. So if you want to do the video and also if you want to do the image, then you can use SORA. SORA is a paid software as well. So you can see here is the SORA option. You can find it from sora.chatgpt.com. Here you can see, and you can just a moment. SORA, if you search with just SORA, then you can see here is the SORA, here is the sora.com and everything. Okay, so this is a ChatGPT product. This is a ChatGPT product, and you can see if you go to the ChatGPT as well, then it will redirect to the SORA chatgpt.com explore. Now if you want to generate images, here you can see there are lots of images already generated by people. You can see here is the image to video, here is image, lots of our images that are only like a video related and also image related. So if you want to generate image, if you want to generate video from here, and also then you can upload them in YouTube and also in Facebook, then you can do it. Okay, because Facebook and YouTube allows AI related content to make money. Okay, so here is the full detailed breakthrough. Here is the explore. If you click on the explore, then you can see the lots of creators videos here. And if you go to the images, then you can see only the images that generated by the people. And if you go to the videos, then you can only view the videos. And if you want to do the watch the video, then you can click on this, then you can see it. And also if you want to remix it, recut it, edit prompt and everything, then you can do it. These videos are generated by others. Okay, and the prompt is a frog standing upright, and you can see the prompt here. You can copy this prompt and also you can modify this, and after that you can generate this. Okay, and if you want to download this, then click on the three dot, or you can see the option for download, but this time it is not allowed by the user. Okay, now if I go to the SORA again, then you can see here is the top option, which videos are top, which videos are in the bottom. You can see these videos are top, and this video views is lots, and people are loving it and people are watching it, and you can watch this as well. And if you want to generate this kind of video, then you can click on this and then you can copy the prompt. Okay, now let me show you the likes. Most likable videos are here, and you can see the video likes of show up here. Just a moment. And also my media, how much video you have created. So I give it prompt here that give me a girl and boy kissing video. So he provided me a, first of all I generated a kissing image, then I click on this create video, and then if you optionally create this video, then you can. So if I give him some idea, like we give you the prompt this to, because this is kissing scene, so I don't want to generate this kind of, so let me give them another prompt here. Okay, so I'll generate an image video. So describe your image here. So I want to generate like give me a frog photo who is standing on a cow head and also singing. So let me see how they generated the video. So add it to queue. You can see they are generating the video, they are creating the video. So how you can see the video, if you want to see this kind of video or this kind of images that you have generated for you, then you need to go to the my media option. Okay, here you can see the 8% is generated and singing frog on cow, and here is my prompt, and after finishing they will deliver it to me. And if you want to upload your own video, upload your own image, then you want to generate, then you need to click on it, upload here, describe your image here, then you can generate your videos. Okay, so my video is completed. Let me go to the my media. Here you can see this is the prompt I have generated, and you can see the give me a frog photo who is standing on a cow head and also singing. Here you can see the result. And if you want to create video, then you can describe here and like give me live singing video for the frog, and your video should like it will be image or it will be video. So I want to generate the video. And aspect ratio, my aspect ratio, if you want to generate the aspect ratio for YouTube like landscape mode, then you can do it landscape, or if you want to generate it for square, then you can generate for square, and you can also place the frame. And if you want to generate for it for mobile, you can generate, and if you want to generate for it whole, then you can generate. And what will be the aspect frame rate or aspect resolution. So if you want to generate for 8K or 7K or 4x lower, then you need to purchase the paid plan. So the paid plan will be available for here. So now I will generate this video. Here you can see I need to upgrade. So you don't have any active subscription, please buy plan to generate video. So you cannot generate any kind of video without buying a plan. Okay, so let me show you what will be the plan and what will be the paid plan for them. So SORA, if you go to the Google, SORA subscription price will be there. Here is the SORA subscription price and everything. You can see their subscription price. If you go to the subscription, then you can see the pricing as well. So you need to find it. So I hope you can get an idea about the generation of the video and also each and everything. So SORA is a very important and also important platform. So if I show you one image to you, you can see this is my video. This is my one of my Facebook page video. You can see I got 12 million, 2.3 million, 196 million, 52 million views just creating this kind of video using SORA. So you can generate this kind of video, okay, and also you can generate this kind of informational video by using SORA, and then upload your YouTube channel, upload your Facebook page and TikTok as well, okay. And now another thing is, if you want to do your website SEO, like you have a website and if you want to do the AI SEO, you don't want to do the manual SEO and you don't have time to do the manual SEO, then you can use this tool for just for €1, and after that you can do your website SEO just for using AI, okay. You don't need to do any kind of manual SEO, just put your website here. This tool will do the website SEO and each and everything for you, okay. So thank you very much for watching. If you feel this video is important, then hit the subscribe button.